Hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we want to continue with our polynomials, but under this, we want to treat word problem under polynomials. So we know polynomials are just made up of variables, sum of variables in powers, and that of a constant. So now we are having a parking space is 20 meters wide and 30 meters long. So it means that parking space is in the form of what? A rectangle. So if I have this as the parking space, we are saying that the width, which is going to be 20 meter, then we are going to have the length as what? 30 meter. Okay. So if the length and the width is increased by the same amount, meaning if you increase here by 10 meter, here will be increased by 10 meters. Alright. To handle an increasing number of cars. So you're looking for what polynomial represents the area of the space. If I'm asked to find the area of the original parking space, we know it's going to be the length times what? The breadth. 20 times 30. But with this, we have also increased. This has been increased by a certain amount. That certain amount simply we don't know. So we have increased the length by a certain amount. That certain amount that we added to the length is the same amount is added to what? The breadth. So it means that so if here used to be 30 meter as in the length, original length, we've increased with x. If here used to be 20 meter, it has been increased with x because it's the same amount. So you're looking for the area of the whole parking space, which will look like this, still as a rectangle. So first of all, we let the increase So we let the increased length be x. So in this case, the length itself is going to be original 30 plus what? X. Then the width will also be 20 plus what? X. As you can see from here, 20 meter plus x or 20 plus x meter. Then 30 plus x meter. So in finding the area, we know it's length times what? The width. So what do? We have the length to be 30 plus x, the width 20 plus what? X. This is multiplication of what? Binomial. Whereby we use the FOIL method. The first term multiply every element in the second term. So that will be 30 times 20. And that will be 600. 30 times x will be 30x. Then we come to x. X will multiply 20 to give us 20x. X times x will give us x squared. So I believe we can compute the middle one to have 600 plus 50 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is what? 50x. Then plus what? Our x squared. We know this is a quadratic equation which is always written with the powers of x decreasing from the left to the right. So meaning x squared plus 50x plus what? 600. That answers the first one. What polynomial represents the area of the new parking space? So this will be our answer. Then the second one is asking what is the new area in value if the increment, the x increment was actually what? 15 meter. You can go ahead and draw a diagram and put 15, 15, 45 times 35 as in the area, length times breadth. Or just substitute the value of 15 into this equation to get your final answer. So from here we have x squared 50x plus 600. So now when x equals to 15, we have 15 squared, 50 times 15 plus what? 600. We know here we are going to have 225 plus 5 times this will be, so we have 75. Then we are multiplying by 10, so 0 plus 600. Adding all this together give us 1575. But we are using what? Meters. So it means that the new parking space, the area in length, is going to be 1575 meters square. Okay. Or 1575 meter square as our final answer. So this is what we can also get under polynomial as a word problem. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment.